Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to select all photos on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you have too much photos and now you want to select them all, so you just have to follow a trick. First you have to open your Photos app, and here you have an option of select, tap on it, and now you can select them separately. But if you don't want to select them all separately, so you have another option, which is you have to tap on select and then scroll your finger around the photos, and that's how you can easily select all photos. So let's do it again. First pick up the photo, look like that, and then just scroll through this time. And after doing this, you can easily choose all photos in one time. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.